everyone, and welcome to today's lecture on defense mechanisms. We'll explore what they are, why they matter, and the different types of mechanisms people use often without even realizing it. Let's begin. What are defense mechanisms? According to psychoanalytic theory, defense mechanisms are strategies developed by the ego. Their purpose is to protect us from anxiety that arises when the id's desires conflict with the superego's standards. They are often unconscious, and while some are healthy, others can interfere with personal growth if overused. Types of defense mechanisms. Let's go through the most common types. Repression and suppression. Repression is unconscious, your mind pushes away painful thoughts or urges. Suppression, on the other hand, is a conscious effort to avoid unwanted memories or desires. Identification. This is when we adopt characteristics of someone else, like a child copying a parent or a student mimicking a teacher. Reaction formation. Here, a person expresses the opposite of what they truly feel. For example, someone who feels hate may behave with exaggerated kindness. Compensation. This is about making up for weaknesses by excelling in other areas. A short person might focus on being strong or witty. Rationalization. This is giving a logical excuse for behavior that we're actually ashamed of. For instance, failing a test and blaming the questions, not lack of study. Substitution or displacement. When we can't achieve something, we replace the goal with something else, like overeating after a breakup. Displacement. This is redirecting anger or frustration toward a safer target, like yelling at family after being insulted by a boss. Projection. We accuse others of having the thoughts or feelings we're actually struggling with ourselves. Symbolization. In dreams or fantasies, we represent repressed desires with symbols. This is the language of the unconscious. Dissociation. This is when someone recalls trauma without feeling emotions like they're talking about someone else's life. Denial. We simply refuse to believe a painful reality, such as illness or loss. Sublimation. This is the healthiest mechanism, turning unacceptable impulses into creative or positive actions, like channeling anger into music or sports. Fixation and regression. Fixation is when development stops at a certain stage. Regression is when stress causes someone to revert to childish behavior. Dissociation splitting. In extreme cases, the mind separates conflicting parts of the self. This may lead to symptoms like multiple personalities. Intellectualization. This involves analyzing situations in a detached, abstract way, avoiding emotional experience. Defense mechanisms help us cope, but when they become habitual, they can block emotional healing. Becoming aware of them is the first step toward self-understanding and mental wellness. Thanks for joining today's session. See you in the next lecture.